In other news, a cadet from the province of Albay will get the top honors in this year's PMA graduation rites. He is George Leona. Meanwhile, first-class cadet Jeff Aldrin Ocudia will not be joining PMA Siklab Diwa class during its graduation this coming March 16th. We'll have more of this report from Jonathan Llanes.
Parents of this year's #1 graduating cadet of Asia's premier military institution have served as an inspiration to conquer the challenges of being a disciplined cadet. Cadet First Class George Miliana Leona said the trust given to him by his parents served as a prime mover for him to finish his studies at the Philippine Military Academy after 2 years of accountancy at the Bicol University.
Siguro unang-una po, syempre sa family ko po, lalong-lalo na po sa mga magulang ko na siyang naging gabay sa akin mula pa ng pagkabata ko kasi I know na hindi naman po kami nabiyayaan ng magandang buhay sa labas. So sila po yung nagsilbing aking mga gabay na nagpalaki sa akin ng maayos at para malagpasan ko rin po ang lahat ng.
At an early age, Leona have shown interest in joining the military service. This paved the way for him to join the Reserve Officer Training Course in college, the Philippine Military Academy, and eventually joining the Philippine Air Force after graduating from the Academy.
Aside from the other branch of services, pag sinabi kasing, ang iniisip kasi ng tao, di ba, pag nasa Philippine Army ka, mahirap, ganun. Pero iniisip nila na yung Army lang talaga yung nakakatulong, pero hindi po yun yung totoong nangyayari ngayon. The 3 branch of services are joining hands to fight the insurgencies here in our country.
In observance of the International Women's Month, this year's #2 and the only woman in the top 10, Cadet First Class Lisa Humawid Dangos serves as an inspiration for the empowerment of women. This is why she encourages women to join the military service, where she will be part of the Philippine Army.
Yan po para sa akin, bilang nag-iisang babae sa top 10, sana po yung accomplishment ko ay makapag-inspire pa ng maraming babae to join the armed forces. Sana makita nila na may lugar ang babae dito sa armed forces.
Meanwhile, PMA Superintendent Major General Oscar Lopez have decision on the future of Cadet Aldrin Ocudia to the country's chief executive. This following his decision to sustain an earlier decision of his predecessor for Ocudia to undergo dismissal proceedings from the academy.
But nasa kanila yun. But I don't want to speculate if he will be giving pardon or anything. In fact, we have just submitted the documents at the jail headquarters and andun na. So may proseso din doon. Dadaan din doon sa proseso doon. It may be endorsed by the Chief of Staff to the SND, chain of command.
From the city of Bagan for the People's Television, Jonathan Llanes.